Okay, so Tesla stock is doing a good bullish reaction today. It isn't great or amazing, but it is good. This could trigger a rally to higher levels, but Tesla still has to break a few key resistances in order to materialize a true, meaningful bullish structure. If you ask me, Tesla has almost everything to fly again, but the situation is still delicate, and we must be patient, we must be cautious in times like this. I will describe in detail the most important key points we should watch from here in this video. My name is Nathan, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's start our multiple time frame analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart. In the daily chart, Tesla has been doing nothing but crashing. This week was a very horrible week. Last week we did a phenomenal breakout of the $200, doing a very powerful bullish candlestick pattern. But in the end, this was just a bull trap, and Tesla not only crashed, but we lost very important support levels like the 21 EMA and the 187. Which is this red line over here, the neckline of this head and shoulders. This key point did work as a support level a couple of times over here, and right now Tesla lost this support level. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, in the 1 hour chart, the key point is not 187, it's 186, which are essentially almost the same. But this is why I'm telling you guys, Tesla is still under very important resistance levels. The 186, this key point did work as a support level 1, 2, as a resistance level 1, 2, 3 times, again as a support level over here on March 28, and right now it is working consistently as a resistance level again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times right now. Therefore 186, that's the critical key point Tesla has to break in the 1 hour chart if it wants to have any decent chance to fly again to higher levels. What's more, we see Tesla doing lower highs, lower lows below the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA is pointing upwards. We don't see Tesla doing higher highs, higher lows yet, which is the most classic trait of a bull trend. It is doing the inverse. It is doing lower highs, lower lows. It is in a short-term bear trend. In the daily chart, Tesla frustrated the previous bullish bias because Tesla was doing higher highs, higher lows, and right now we are doing a new low. We did a lower low. However, we are not doing lower highs, lower lows yet. So this is not, there's a difference between bear trend and crash, right? A crash, usually it is a momentary thing. It is just a very sharp drop without a crystal clear formation of a bearish trend, of a bearish momentum. Right now we crashed, we lost the support level, but we have yet to trigger a meaningful bearish structure, like a bearish pivot point, like a double top chart pattern, like a head and shoulders chart pattern, etc. It does not matter. Tesla is just crashing. What's more, I'm so sorry, but despite of this crash, Tesla right now is reacting. This candlestick pattern over here has a name. It is called hammer candlestick pattern, and usually this is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern. It has decent chances of reversing. As far as I remember, it works as a reversal 60% of the time according to Bukowski's studies. I recommend thepatternsight.com for more information. Now, okay, we see a hammer candlestick pattern, a bullish reversal 60% of the time. What's the problem? The problem is that this hammer candlestick pattern, I would be much happier if this candlestick pattern appeared above a very crystal clear support level, like here, 176. If this hammer pattern appeared after retesting the 176, I would be much happier. But right now it feels like we are doing this bullish reaction in a no man's land between the resistance at 187 and the next support at 176. So of course, this is why I'm telling you guys, it is a good bullish reaction. It could be better, it could be amazing, great, fantastic, but it is doing a good bullish reaction in a no man's land. Maybe this could indicate that Tesla is going to fly again. Yes, it could, but we still have to wait for the confirmation of this hammer. What is the confirmation of this hammer, Nathan? Well, in theory, Tesla has to break this hammer's high in the following trading day, which is Monday, because Friday is holiday. Therefore, tomorrow there won't be any video in this channel. Sometimes you guys ask me, Nathan, why there is no video today? Nathan, why you didn't write the newsletter to us? Because it is a holiday, alright? Some of you guys are not in the US or are not from the US, but tomorrow is a holiday, therefore the market is not gonna work. Now let's continue looking at the daily chart over here. If Tesla actually triggers this hammer candlestick pattern, honestly, I believe Tesla could fly to higher levels, potentially retesting the 21 EMA area over here, and then we'll see. If Tesla actually does a top signal over here below the 21 EMA, then the situation will get more serious, because there is a real possibility that Tesla could trigger a lower high, lower low, right? That's the trait of a bear trend. This is going to be the beginning of the next bearish movement that could lead Tesla back to the 163 or even to fill this gap over here at 146. And remember, for premium analysis on Tesla stock, model portfolios, options, strategies, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Here I offer many valuable information to you guys, so take a look at my website. The link is in the description of this video. Now let's take a look at Tesla's weekly chart. In the weekly chart, we are doing a correction, okay? A regular correction. It is not the end of the world. It is not a catastrophic bearish candlestick pattern. We see this 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern, which usually is a bullish continuation pattern. But the problem is Tesla couldn't trigger these 3 white soldiers. It would trigger this pattern if we break this candle's high over here, which is 207. We gotta break 207 in order to materialize a true bullish continuation. And honestly, if we actually trigger this 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern in the weekly chart, Tesla could easily trigger this bullish pivot point in the weekly chart by breaking the 217. In this scenario, Tesla is going to trigger for the first time since November 2021 a bullish pattern, a bullish structure in the weekly chart. That's going to be the beginning of something new. This is going to be the beginning of the next bullish rally that, in my humble opinion, is going to make Tesla retest the $300 again. Of course, we gotta wait for the right patterns. We gotta wait for Tesla to break its key resistance levels. I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. So if you're still watching this video and you are not my subscriber, come on, subscribe to this channel. You liked the content, which, by the way, click on the like button as well to support me. Check my newsletters, take a look at my website for premium analysis and more. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys next week. Have a great holiday.